Hello everybody, another episode of Jeff Attempts. So want to let you know, you probably already know, it is springtime finally, and weather is warming up. Humidity is evening out a little bit. It is not so dry out, but we still got to deal with the humidifier, the old whole house humidifier, if you have one. So here is my whole house humidifier. So I've got my furnace, and I've got the return air going in. So that is where my humidifier is. So it's usually, if you've got one, it's a big box attached to the return air coming into your furnace. Had to go to the other side here. So with this little lever right here, you've got, this is in the on position, so the air can go through the humidifier and come out this way. You want that to be shut off. I'll show you the other side here. So this is the whole house humidifier open. That's the media right there. And then this over here is the lever. That's opened, that's closed. We want it so that this isn't drawing air in across this medium right here. This is also a perfect time to replace the old medium with new. So this is kind of getting crusty. It's got a bunch of mineral deposits in here. So we're going to remove this one, put a brand new one in, so when the fall comes, we're all set with our brand new one. So this is the controller. Sometimes it is on the furnace, sometimes it's upstairs near your thermostat. Make sure that is all the way in the off position. Get that cover back onto the system. Like I said, hopefully yours isn't so hard to negotiate as mine is behind all these gas lines. So that is turning off your whole house humidifier. Not every house has one, so if you don't have one, don't feel bad. If you do have one, it's always a good idea just to keep it monitored, that it's not putting out too much humidity into your house, because that can cause issues with extra water around the windows, extra humidity in your house. That can cause problems, but you want it high enough so that you're staying comfortable in your home. All right, so get ready for spring, get ready for summer. Hope you have a great day. Follow me for more.